Okay, folks, this question says, the pedigree shows the human blood types for 3 generations of a family. What is one possible genotype of individual I1? So here's I1. It's asking for their genotype. So we don't know what blood type they are at all, but we do know that they have kids that are AB, A, and B. And we do know that one of the parents is AB, so it's IA, IB. And we know another one. We know that the offspring, one offspring, is I, A, I, B. So, if that's the case, we know that the B must have come from here. So the A must have come from here. So that's one type A there, which would make this guy IA, IA. So if that's the case now, we need to find, the clue here is in the offspring. So right now we've got an offspring that's type AB, which is here, good. We've got an offspring here, is type A, which is here, good. And we got an offspring over here is type B. But before we just stick in anything in here, we should look and see what kind of offspring he has. And here's your clue. That offspring's type O. So we know that type O is 2 little i's. If that's the case, one of those i's must come from that mom here. And if that's the case, she must be heterozygous, which would mean that her I comes from the other parent. And that'll work out good in terms of the cross, so that's fine. Okay. You can also have had that mom to be IBI, so if we put a B there instead, it would be IA, IB, 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 IA, I, and IBI. So either one of those is fine. We couldn't have said AB, IA, AB, because that offspring, then you wouldn't end up with a heterozygous in your offspring. So because of that, the answer is either IAI or IBI.